Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to cancel your Ali Reviews, Kudosi Reviews subscription and use for free. If you've been using Ali Reviews to import or display reviews from platforms like AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, DSS, or even Temu, but no longer need it, the process to cancel is simple. Following the correct method is important, so that you don't get charged again in the next billing cycle. This way, you won't be charged again, but you'll still keep the basic version of the app if you ever want to use it later. Let's begin. First, log in to your Shopify Admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click on Apps. From the list of installed apps, select Ali Reviews. This will open the app's main dashboard. Now, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Settings and Pricing. Once you click this, a new page will load with different options related to your plan. Next, click on the Pricing tab at the top. Scroll down this page until you see the option to downgrade. This is the section that lets you move from your current paid plan back to the free version. Like the video if it's helping. When you click Downgrade, a confirmation prompt will appear. In this window, Ali Reviews will show you a quick comparison between the paid plan and the free plan. For example, it may remind you that on the free plan, you can only import reviews from AliExpress, and some advanced features like syncing from Amazon, Etsy, or eBay won't be available. If you're okay with switching to the free version, tick the Accept checkbox at the bottom of the prompt. After that, click on the Downgrade button to confirm. And that's it. Your paid Ali Reviews subscription has now been cancelled. So that's the complete process. A simple step-by-step way to cancel Ali Reviews in Shopify by downgrading to the free plan. If this helped, then like the video and subscribe to our channel.